Today we have here a Remington Rand 5, made in the 1930s. This beautiful museum piece, fully restored by moi. Anyway, enough showing off. Come on by and check out the selection. I got over 8 typewriters now. The reason I like this one in particular is because it's black, okay? Easy to go with any decor. If you're not using this piece, you're leaving it outside. I sell black phones that go with this, black and gold themes, black and brass. It matches any background. If you're doing a gilded theme, you put in some gold paper in here, type it up, make it fancy, okay? Make it yours. I just like them because I've sold 3 of these already. So I know these sell, okay? My friend in California, Berkeley, California, he owns Berkeley Typewriters, and he's the one who taught me how to refurbish typewriters, you know, with a little push pin. You got to take out all the little grit that goes inside of each letter, changing the ribbon, seeing if everything works. So he taught me from cleaning to testing to ready to sell. And so the lessons with him have been priceless. Yes. Each typewriter has like its own fingerprint. So if you don't like the way this one looks, I'm sorry, this one's not for you, but I think it's a beaut, okay? It's working 100%. I vouch for that. I give you 30-day money-back guarantee. Please come, check it out. And I hope you make this your new inspiration piece.
So if you want to do like a palm thread, you use one of these shits?
Yeah, exactly. Ransom note, you know.